This question is for Ishiro. Ito, Ishiro, sa daming P-pops ngayon sa P-pop scene, what sets Ride apart from those other groups?
Okay, oh, it's a big thing. Throughout naman sa pagsasama namin, napag-uusapan din namin minsan. Kasi di ba, in this industry, it's about what makes you different, what makes you unique. I can say what makes us unique is really connected with our backgrounds and our concept na ngayon sineset namin. Kasi we all came from different paths. Si Jay, he's experienced in dancing, world of dance. Si Asi, the voice, singing. Si Russo, before he was a boxer, yeah, in sports. And Matthew, he was in acting. And ako po, normal lang akong tao na wings.
You're just
Just a chill
Chill
guy.
guy. Chill guy.
More on, ano lang, focus lang sa aral. And, di ba, parang when I set our backgrounds, we are so different. So, di ba, parang isipin mo, paano ito mag-work as a group? But, also connected with our concept, we came from different paths. But, eventually, nagkita-kita kami sa isang daan. And now, we travel together to finally arrive where we want to be. Dito pa sa Kaya ayun po, we have finally arrived. Nagsama-sama kami. Our differences is also our strength. Yes. So, just to summarize, it's our story, our storyline, our concept, and us as individuals who came together as a group.
And I thank you. Grabe, ang ganda ng sagot ni Ishiro.